A very good morning, dear children. Welcome back to RB Online class. Today, I'm going to teach you that means of transport, that is reaching places. In yesterday class, we have already learned that how many types of transportation are there. Means of transportation. Students, do you remember the transportation is classified into three types? What are those, students? Yes, it is those are water and land and air transport. There are three types: water transport, land transport and air transport. Water transport, we learned already about the water transport. The vehicles run on waters. The vehicles float on lakes, rivers, seas are called water transport vehicle. Examples of water transport are ship, boat, rafts and steamer are the examples of water transport vehicles. Next, we also learned that land transport vehicles. Land transport vehicles mainly classified into two types. In that one, road transport and railways. Roadways and railways. Two transportation are there in land transport. Roadways means those vehicles run on a road. For examples of road vehicles are roadways are car, bus, auto rickshaw, bullock cart, and so many vehicles are there for roadways. Next, railways. Railways means the vehicles which run on a tracks. Call them railways. Examples of railways are trains, metro train, and a passenger train, goods train are the examples of railways. Today, we are going to learn about the airways. 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 Airways means what? They fly in the sky. The vehicles which are fly in the sky are called airways. They fly in the sky. They fly in the sky. The airways or air transport vehicles are flies in the sky. Examples are helicopter, aeroplane, leader and hot air balloon. What are the examples? Examples are helicopter, aeroplane, etc. Helicopter, aeroplane, hot air balloon, leader and jet planes are the examples of air transport vehicle. Air transport vehicles includes what, students? Helicopter, aeroplanes, hot air balloons and so on. Air transport vehicles need a special place to take off and land the planes. Yes, students, the air transport vehicles need two special places to take off and land. Yes, planes needed airports. Planes needed airports. What need planes to lead? Airports and runways. Will take off and landing. They need runways and airport. Hot air balloon. Air transport vehicle need a special places to take off and land. Places need airports and runways helicopter needs helipad to stand. Yes, there are these are the air transport vehicles. There is some means of transport that move very fast. Some means of transport moves very fast. If you are go to school means you use the vehicles that bus or auto and motorbike. We use that one. For your village, you want to go your village means can use the bus and train, and you are going to that out of country, we use buses. No, we use aeroplane. That's why that's a some means of transport is very fast. We can reach urgently in our destination places, and some moves very slowly. Which vehicles move some, which make vehicles move slowly, student? Yes, bullock cart and rickshaws are moves very slow. Here in your book, they are given. Look at the picture and draw a circle around the means of transport that moves fast and a square around the means of transport that moves slowly. In this, car, bus, train, and bullock cart, aeroplane, helicopter, tractor, motorcycle, and rickshaw. They are given pictures here. You can circle the vehicle which moves very fast and square the means of transport, square the vehicles which moves very slowly. Yes, students, do it yourself. Do you remember that? Circle which vehicles move very fast and square the vehicles which moves very slowly. Yes. Do you understand? Next, we can use petrol, diesel, or electricity to run these vehicles. Yes, students, how do they run? How do the vehicles run? Yes, with the help of that fuels. Fuels means like petrol, diesel, or electricity also used to run these vehicles. For example, then motorbike is used to run that petrol. We need to run that motorbike. And car, some of the car have diesel, some of the car need petrol. Like bus, we need diesel to run the petrol. These are the but bicycle runs on our energy. But bicycle it run on our energy. We pedal that bicycle. That's why they run. They does not need any fuel. We ride a bicycle. We ride a bicycle means our health remains fit. We may remain fit and fine, and also it is helps to save the fuel. Yes, we can choose to travel by any means of transport, but if we have to go over a short distance, we should walk. Exercise is good for us, and we should not waste fuel. Students, we can choose to travel by means of transport. If you want to go by nearby distance, we use bicycle and motorbike. That's it. Next, you want to go your village means near villages are there means you can use a bus and train. So far is there means you can use train. Nice. Too far distance we use aeroplanes and helicopters. But if we have go to over a short distance, if you have to go over a short distance means you can go by walk. We should walk. Exercise is good for us, and we should not waste fuels. If you have to reach another city very quickly, then how you would travel? If you have to reach another city, we used to travel bus and trains. Students, transport vehicles can be for public or a private use. For example, trains, buses, aeroplanes, and auto rickshaws. Sometimes people need help emergency. It is called an help urgently. It is called an emergency. Some people need help urgently. We call it emergency vehicle. Special vehicles are used in such cases. Which vehicles are emergency vehicles, students? Which fire brigade and police van, ambulance are the emergency vehicles. Special vehicles are used to in such cases. For example, fire brigades, police van, ambulance, and so on. These are the vehicles we learn about in this class. Airways means air transport vehicles. It is these vehicles fly in the sky. Yes, we need fuel to run the vehicles. The vehicles run on a fuels like petrol, diesel, and some other vehicles run on a electricity. Yes, students, the aeroplane and helicopter, glider, and hot air balloons are the examples of airways vehicle. Airways vehicle is used to faraway distances. Yes, these vehicles run on fuels. Next, airways vehicles need to land and take off in the what? Airport, and it's need helipad to stand. Helicopter need helipad to stand, and also it need runways in aeroplane. And also we learned about the emergency vehicle. Which are the emergency vehicles? Emergency means we need some vehicles urgently. That's called emergency vehicles. Fire brigade, policeman, and ambulance are the emergency vehicles. And also we learned about the traffic rules and traffic signals. These are the all about your reaching places. We do not use vehicles for a short distance. We have to walk for a short distance. Otherwise, we use bicycle to save the fuel and remain healthy. Okay. In next class, we move to exercise. Up to this, recall these about these vehicles. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.